My name is Andrew Cohen. I'm lactose intolerant, so I went nuts.
And I'm Ari Cohen, and I'm lactose intolerant, gluten intolerant, and soy intolerant, and I've also gone nuts.
And we are Mr. Dewey's.
We're a dairy-free,
Soy-free
gluten-free
ice cream alternative.
When I realized that I was dairy, gluten, and soy sensitive several years ago, I had to change my diet. And in so doing, I had to cut out things like ice cream. And that was sort of the impetus for starting Mr. Dewey's, creating an ice cream that was dairy-free, gluten-free, soy-free, and also, just as importantly, additive-free. There's no gums or oils or preservatives or additives in our ice cream, and that's very important to us.
And I just missed ice cream. And when he started creating these ice creams, I was his taster, and it was so good. And I thought, let's just bring this to market because of all the other people out there who can't do ice cream and are also looking for a creamy, delicious alternative. So we did it, and it's delicious, and we hope you think so too.
Unlike a lot of ice creams, we pump no air into our ice cream, so in some ways it's more like a gelato. It's very rich and dense and very creamy and very flavorful, intensely flavorful. So we use very few ingredients, but the ingredients we use a lot of, and I think that's what makes it such a special, and what makes it such a healthy and special ice cream. Andrew and I are both brothers, born and raised in Berkeley, and so this is, for everybody in the Bay Area, this is obviously a local product, but most recently, to our happy surprise, it is getting picked up further and further out. And in fact, maybe you can talk about where we are now.
So right now we're based in Oakland, but we have been picked up in Seattle, up in the Washington area, Oregon, all the way up in Northern California, and then down now through to almost San Diego. And looks like in 2015 we're going to head east a bit into the Rocky Mountains, maybe even touch into Texas. We can talk about how delicious it is all day long, but until you try it, you won't believe how good it tastes. Our slogan is, once you try it, you'll go nuts too. Bye. Thanks for eating. Go nuts. So if you want to try to connect with us, which we'd love it if you liked us on Facebook, we're on Twitter, we're on Instagram, and on our website, of course, www.mrdeweys.com.